Today I'm here to present my journey at University of West London for my foundation year at creative sector. My name is Matteo Bollino. My presentation is about graphic design. I will start the plan of today with my mood board. I will briefly summarize it. I will talk about graphic design industry, the company that I create for this part of the year. I will talk about Anouk Tech Fashion Tech and my project idea and proposal and the production. Let's start with the mood board. My vision on the graphic design industry is based on the creativity of individuals that can connect people to elaborate and create projects and products with the creativity. After, the graphic design industry is a big industry in continual development with the creation of new ones every few years. When individuals find new way and new technology and materials, we can see some of the industry more recognized about marketing, video editing, cinema, web design, game design, photography, fashion design, architecture, interior, poster and printing. Now, about my company that I create is Fox Design. It's a limited company where I'm the CEO and the main worker department are the creative and marketing. So we are finding partners that are to create connection and a network. A small company is more considerate well-being and better from publicity and tax wise. We create our logo based on the fox as we taking the name from it. And our main idea is Dress to Impress. Is an idea came out from this movie Captain Marvel in 2019 starring Brie Larson, where our idea is based to create a dress that changing color by the owner choice by technology. This is the sketch that we are focusing on. So we have the corner of control. So this panel is a control for this grid that is in the middle of the fabric, and this is focusing on to change color as you can see on the picture. So this is our main idea, and we are developing the technology, and how to develop is based on searching and collaboration with other companies. One of these company is the Anouk Wiptech Fashion Tech. Anouk Wiptech is a Dutch designer and innovator because he creates a new field. The fashion tech is a combination between fashion design and engineering with robotics and science. This is based on technology and the interaction with the body and with the surrounding. For example, the spider dress that we see in the picture is based on sensor and movable arms based on the spider structure anatomy. So we can define the boundaries make with the space and the sensor, so we can see as soon as someone is getting too close to it, the arms of the spider they are moving and they're expanding to advise the person wearing it then the personal space is being broken. We can see the fashion tech definition that is made from the designer. The fashion and technology is a combination and interaction with the design. So is they are aiming to a technology that based on dialogue with the body and surrounding of the person that is wearing it. I would like to quote the designer. They say we shape technology, but technology also shape us. This is a brilliant sentence that we can see and how they is interacting to us, because every time that we create a technology, after a while the technology is controlling us and shape us for the future. As soon as we create another one, it will be always the same. My proposal is about this the dress the changing color, and our goal is to innovate the fashion design industry. So the proposal is to create a dress based on the sportswear where there is the grid inside the sportswear to keep the body warm. But our idea is to replace that grid to keep the body warm, and to create the grid to create the color change. Of course, we need to change the material. We need to find the right material to create this kind of product, and we are basing ourselves on research at the moment because this technology doesn't exist yet, so we need to create it. And our base for production, as you can see in the Gantt chart, is based on focusing on find the teams, engineering and the design department, and how we can collaborate between them and the company, between my company and Anok Whip Tech, and how to change the right product, amount of quantity and time. And for the production is the realization and creation of the model to have someone or the models, the actual people wearing it, and the post production would be the delivering to the public, where we can show to the public how we can realize it and how it's made. And this was my presentation for the University of West London for the creative sector. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day, darling.